Hello everyone, today we are going to look at how we can add some shadow to our work. So I have my background, I have downloaded my table and a photo. I want to add some shadow to it. So I want to add some shadow to my photo. I will come to the layer side where there is FX, the second last option, written click create a new layer. I will click on it, and as you can see, I have added a new layer. So after that, I will go to the toolbar and select the brush tool. And then on top of it, where it is written edit, I will click on this drop down arrow. So as you can see, I have many shadow presets. You can click on any, but for this case, we will choose the first one. So you can choose to reduce the size or increase the size. That is okay. So once you are done, you come to your work and you click here 1, 2, 3 times, and then I will select on the move tool. So allow me enlarge my work so that you can see well. So after selecting the move tool, I will enlarge my shadow. I will enlarge my layer. That is okay. So I will click on here, and then let me drag my layer below the bottle. Allow me drag my layer below the bottle. So I can now position it. You can also enlarge it. That is okay. Now, to make it look more realistic, we can reduce the opacity. And that is okay. So that is how we add some shadow to our work.